You know, at 133, AJ Schopp, you know, he's ranked #1 in the country. He's a 2-time All-American. You know, we just have to, again, the little things, the details, and I got to get AJ wrestling more. He's such a good wrestler. I think if he could show everybody what, you know, all the tools he has, I think he'll win the Nationals.
I want to win it. That was my goal last year, to win it, and I could have, just fell short, and this year's another year, so hopefully the rest of the occasion this year we'll get it. The only thing I really would like to focus on mainly is having my weight under control and just having fun throughout the year, because that's one thing that really gets you down, and as long as that's under control, I should be fine. As long as I'm getting my hand raised at the end of the match, that's all that matters. So one other thing is I want to do is just get more pins. So I'm looking forward to breaking the Edinboro record for the most pins, and maybe a Hodge trophy or something like that if I can be dominant throughout the year. So.